welcome to our Sunday's market review on Leading Forex YouTube channel. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. Last week, Sunday, I gave you just one signal, just one. Now, in this week's signals, I am going to give you two. Yes, this week I am going to give you two signals. Now, before we go straight into this week's signals, I would like us to first of all look at how last week's signals turned around, whether it gave us the profit or a loss. So let's go straight to look at last week's signal, then we can zoom in into the coming week's signals. Okay, so here we have the chart, and quickly let's look at the chart. And last week's signal was on Euro JPY, and Euro JPY we gave a sell, right? We gave a sell on Euro JPY. Now, this is where the market started for last week. If you want to see it well, let me give you this so that you can see it well. The market started somewhere here, over here, on this candle. Okay? You see this gap here? Exactly. That was where the market started, right? So the market opened over here. And if you remember, our entry price was 163.14. 163.14. That was our entry price. So if I should mark that entry price here, somewhere here, 163.14, which is somewhere 163.14, 17, 16, 15, 14, somewhere here. So this was our entry. This was our entry. 163.14. So the market opened here with this gap over here. Okay? 163.14. This is how the market opened. Now let's look at it. From that perspective, from this point of entry, the market opened and made its way up. How many pips? It made its way up to the top, 41 pips against us, and then came our way and gave us the 100 pips that we were looking for. The trade went into profit 101 pips. So 101 pips, we got the 100 pips that we were looking for. So this trade was a win. Yes, it was a win. And this is on the 1 hour time frame, okay? I'm trying to show you this on the 1 hour time frame. So the trade opened here for the week and gave us the profit that we wanted. So this trade ended up in a win. This is the weekly candle. You see how smallish it has been. So the market opened, came down from 163.14. The price came down to, let's look at it. The price came down to 161.899. 161.899. And our take profit was 162.14. So if our take profit was 162.14 and the trade came down to 161.899, it means that we got our TP hit, right? So it was a win on this one. Now, this week, what are the signals? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Also, if you haven't clicked on the notification bell, please do, because that is the way to receive new alerts. In case I post a new video on this channel, the notification bell, when you put it on, immediately I post anything on this YouTube channel, you will see it immediately. So please put on the notification bell so that anything I post here, you can be able to see it as fast as possible and be able to take advantage of that. Is that okay? Also recommend this channel to your friends, your brothers, whoever is interested in Forex trading. Please tell them we have a YouTube channel called Leading Forex. Let them follow us and let's do this together. Let's grow this community together. Is that okay? Now, with that being said, let's go into this week's signal. Our first signal we are going to look at will be on GBPUSD. GBPUSD. This is going to be our first signal for the week. Now with GBPUSD, if I come to the daily time frame, what can you see? You can see that on the daily, this trade has come to a support level. This is a level. This is the support. Okay? This is the support. At first, this area was a resistance. Let me show you something. This was a resistance level. And it got broken by price to the upside. And then when price broke through that level, it went up, came back down and retested that level. That resistance level was retested over here. And then the price also went back up again. Now price is back again to that same level. Are you seeing that? Price is back again to that level. So with price action of what has happened previously over here, we anticipate to see a rejection and then price going back to the top, or price will break through this level and then come down. Now, what are some of the things that we are looking to see if price will actually bounce back and go up? We are expecting to see some kind of candles forming, and as I speak now, we can begin to see those candles forming. One of those candles happens to be this candle. Let me show you this candle. Look at this candle here. Can you see the candle I have pointed the red arrow to? Yes, this candle. This is a candle which shows indecision in the market. It has a lot of wicks to the down and wick to the up or top, and then a small body in the middle. This is a candle which is part of the doji family candles. It tells you that there is indecision in the market. This is on daily time frame. There is indecision at this level, on that same resistance which became support here. This area is resistance which got broken and now is now support. Price came back to it, got respected, has come back to it, and we are seeing indecision candle, which shows that now that there's indecision, it means the buyers are not in control and the sellers are also not in control. That is what this candle stands for. This candle I have marked red. That is what it stands for. So since there is indecision, we have to look up for the next candle to see who are those going to grab the market. So after on Thursday there was indecision in the market, something happened. On Friday, the buyers took the market to a buy. So after indecision, we've seen a buy on a support level, which got respected before. So this is clear to tell us that the buyers have entered into the market again, and their intention is to push price up. So if their intention is to push price up, let's move from the daily time frame and go to maybe 4 hour and see. Now, on the 4 hour, you can see a lot of consolidation here. You can see a lot of consolidation here. And like we saw on the daily, we can begin to see that yes, the buyers will want to pick the price again from here and take the price back to the top side. Now on the 1 hour time frame, you can see it even better. You see a lot of indecision here. Price has slowed down in terms of its downward movement. Price has slowed down in terms of its downward movement. And now on this support level, we are beginning to see price moving out of the support level, trying to go back up again. So based on this, we would like to go for a buy. Based on this that we are seeing here, we would like to go in for a buy. So GBPUSD, we would like to go in for a buy, and then our take profit is going to be to the top here. We are going to look at the immediate resistance level, which is here. This is the immediate resistance level. This is the immediate resistance level. So between here, where price is to that top there, is about 105 or so pips. It's about 105 or so pips. So if we are looking for 100 pips, it will be better to go in for 100 pips. So with GBPUSD, we would like to go in for 100 pips as our take profit So what is going to be our entry price? Okay, first of all, the trade is a buy. Let's make that clear. The trade is a buy. This is a buy trade. I would like to give it this buy. That is our trade. That's going to be our entry buy. What is going to be our entry price? At the moment, today is Sunday, the 13th, right? Yes, the 13th of the month October, the year 2024. So the market is currently closed. So the price at which the market closed is entry is 1.30651. This is going to be our entry price. 1.30651. Then what is going to be our take profit? Our take profit is going to be, let's look at our take profit. Our TP, which is take profit, is going to be 1.31651. So our TP is going to be 1.31651. And our stop loss, I'm going to put our stop loss below here. And our stop loss, which is XL, our SL is going to be 1.29651. This is going to be our stop loss. 1.29651. That is going to be our stop loss on GBPUSD. GBPUSD. That is our first trade for the week. Is this okay? Good. Now, let's go straight to our second trade for the week. Now, if you do not have a broker because you haven't registered a live account yet, I want to suggest some few brokers to you to register with. When you go to the description of my videos, you will see my recommended brokers. I have broker 1 up to broker 7. If you are in Africa and some part of Europe and Asia and North America and the rest, you can register with those brokers, except in the United States. If you are in the United States, you may not be able to register with any of the brokers I have recommended. So, apart from the US, any other country, go to the description of my videos. You will see my brokers. Then you can register with any of them that you wish. They are brokers I have personally registered with, that I have accounts with. And because of their interface, because of their customer services, and because of their trading conditions, I like them. I have been trading since 2017. So I like them, the way they operate. And that is how come I am giving them to you also, that you should register with, in case you are looking for a broker to sign up with. Especially if you are in Africa, I would suggest that you use broker 1. So I have named the brokers from 1, 2, 3 up to 7. If you are in Africa, please use broker 1. Their services are very good for Africans. So if you are in Africa, use broker 1. But if you are in Europe and other parts of the world, you can use the rest of the brokers. Is that okay? Now, what is our second trade for the week? Our second trade for the week is also EURUSD. This is EURUSD on the 1 hour time frame. Maybe should I go on the daily first? Yes. Let me go on the daily first. And if I go on the daily, EURUSD is also giving us a similar picture of what we saw on GBPUSD. A resistance level, which got broken to the top, and now price has come back to that resistance level which got broken. This is a very strong resistance level that got broken. This level, take note. price broke through it over here to the top. And the price has now come back to test that zone again. Now, if you look, price came back into that zone and you can see a doji candle here. You see it? Price came down. This is daily time frame. This candle here says a lot. Price came back into that zone and then gave a retracement and gave us a similar candle we saw on GBPUSD. So based on this, we are equally looking at EURUSD buy. If I flip to the 1 hour for the sake of time, if I flip to the 1 hour time frame, I'm trying to zoom out so that you can see it well. So you can see the same thing on the 1 hour. Now, price is in that zone and we are beginning to see a bit of an uptrend or an up movement. So we are beginning to expect or to suspect that this price will move up. Now, the most important resistance level, if we are looking to buy this trade, the most important resistance level we should be looking at is here. This zone. It's a very important level because of the previous zone here, which got broken. If you look, the previous level here got broken. Do you see that? It got broken. So this zone becomes a very important zone to watch. Is that okay? So between where we are, where price is, to that top, is also about 88 to 90 pips. 88 to 90 pips. But I would suggest that because EURUSD often sometimes do not move faster, I would like us to target 90 pips rather. I would like us to target 90 pips. But we can still go for the 100. But to be on the safer side, I would like us to target 90 pips. So EURUSD2 is a buy. Okay? We are going for a buy on it. Buy. That is our signal. We are looking at a buy on it. Buy. So what is going to be our entry price? Our entry price, our entry price is going to be 1.09354. This is going to be our entry. This is our entry price. So if we are looking for 90 pips as our take profit, then what is going to be our take profit? Our TP is going to be 1.10, 1.10254. 1.10254. This is going to be our take profit of 90 pips. 1.10254. All right? That's our take profit of 90 pips. So since we are looking at 90 pips, let's look at the same 90 pips for stop loss. So our XL is going to be 1.08, 1.08454. That is also going to be a stop loss of what? 90 pips. A stop loss of 90 pips. So this is EURUSD buy. So we have GBPUSD and then also EURUSD. So these are our signals, our two signals for the week. Please, I have always advised that when the market opens, you wait for a maximum of 2 hours or a minimum of 1 hour before you start entering your trades because of spread. I have explained that over and over and you know that already. Now, I've gotten a few people asking me what time frame should they use in taking the trades. Now, I am giving you the signals based on the analysis I have done I did the analysis using different time frames. So when it comes to taking the trades, you don't need any other time frame. You can use any time frame at all to take your trade, unless you also want to do analysis. If you want to do analysis, that is where you'll be considering what time frame you should do your analysis on. But I have done the analysis already. I have done the analysis. I've gone to daily time frame. I have come to 4 hour. I have come to 1 hour, and even weekly. You have seen me changing time frames in order to do the analysis. So now that the analysis is done, you don't need any time frame again. Some people will be asking, what time frame should I use to take the trade? You can take the trade on any time frame. Once the analysis is done, time frame doesn't count anymore. Yours is to choose the time frame that is favorable, the time frame that you feel comfortable to watch your trade. Is this clear? Some people think that the time frame you will choose will determine how fast you make profit or how slow you will make profit. That is not it. The time frame is only to allow you to do the analysis. That is where you'll be concerned with what time frame you should use. Once you finish doing your analysis, you can use any time frame to take your trades. If you are watching your trade on the 15 minutes, and another person is watching his own on the 1 hour, and another person is also watching his own on the daily, all of you, your trade will close at the same time. Once the trade hits TP, all of you, your trade will close at the same time. Even if you are using monthly time frame, all of you, your trade will close at the same time because you all have the same take profit. It doesn't mean that you, the one watching on the 15 minutes, yours will close earlier. No. It doesn't also mean that you, the one watching on the 1 hour, yours will close earlier than the one watching monthly. No, that is not it. So please, those of you asking me time frame, what time frame should I use? What time frame? Please, you can use any time frame at all. It is the same with signals. If you are in my free signal group, or you are in my VIP group, which comes with a cost of $100, or if you are here on YouTube, please, any signals that you are given, any trade opportunity that you are given, you're supposed to use any time frame of your choice to take that trade. So please, the issue of what time frame should I use, what time frame should I use, I'm begging all of you, please, you can use any time frame of your choice. Thank you for understanding. Again, make sure that if this is the first time, you try our trades on your demo account and see how our signals are doing before you can begin to put them on your live account. But those of you who have been with us for a while now, you know how we do it. And you know what our signals are. So you are free to do whatever you want to do. Please, every Sunday, we will bring you new signals. Every Sunday. I'm hoping that this week, I'll begin to give you some signals within the week on this YouTube channel. I pray that I'm able to do it because I'm always very busy. I am always very busy. Now, again, let me suggest to you and also plead with you that when you send me a message and I don't reply immediately, it doesn't mean that maybe I intentionally decided to let the message go, or I saw it and decided not to mind you or respond to you. That is not it. I'm dealing with a lot of people. I'm just one person dealing with almost 20,000 people. YouTube alone is almost about 20,000. So if even 1% of these people are chatting me daily on WhatsApp and other platforms, you can imagine the pressure that will be on me. Aside that, I also have a family. Aside that, I also have a job. Even that, I also have to sit and analyze the chart for myself. So it's a lot of pressure on me. So please, when you send a message, and in case I even forget, try and remind me. Send me a message as a reminder. Maybe I saw it, but at the time I saw it, I wasn't in the right position to answer you. And after that, I forgot. So it is good that once you remind me, I can easily be able to reply you. So I have a lot of people, even including my social life, the friends I have, the family and the others, the colleagues and this. So you see how this is very tough for me. So please do understand me when you send a message and I'm not able to reply you immediately. And those of you who will also just watch one video of mine and begin to come and ask me questions that I have already made answers available on other videos, please, if you are a beginner, before you come back and be asking questions, try and watch my videos on this channel. Maybe I have answered your question already. And then it wouldn't give you that pressure to be asking the same question. Some of you come, you ask me, and I refer you back to the channel with some videos and stuff. So I feel like take your time and watch the videos on the channel before you begin to come and ask questions. Please, I'm begging all of you. Thank you for understanding. I'll see you again in the course of the week and hopefully Sunday coming. Until then, be good and I'll see you.